Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change fighter AI fighting style in UFC 6. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel. So changing the fighting style is actually very easy. First, from the play menu, we need to scroll down until we find create fighter option. Just select it. Now you can manage all of the fighters you have created so far. So I want to change the fighting style for this fighter. I just need to select him and then open edit. Now from these options, we need to select style. Now switch over to AI fighting style category by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Inside AI fighting style, you can select any of the fighter and their style will be applied to your created fighter. So I want to have Conor McGregor style. For that, press R2 or RT to go to C, and from here you should be able to find the fighter style you want to apply to your created fighter. Just select them and then that fighting style will be applied to your created fighter. Then just go back from here and save your changes. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.